This video is going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers on a Saab 9-3. This is the model of the windshield wipers that we will use. And the procedure is really simple. So you lift this up, you rotate the wiper this way, and then you have to expand those two items here, and I'll show that to you in a moment. So what you do is now you push this apart, see here? And then you push downwards towards the and then you simply take out the wiper. So what happened here is, if you look at it, this kind of catches behind beyond this edge over here. So if I look at the new wiper now, here, those little clips here, kind of here that you see it, the profile will basically latch on here and keep the wiper from falling off. So the installation is just a reverse. I come in like this, then you just push it up till it locks in here like this, and that completes the job then, and you just do the same thing on the other side. There you go, and then it just clipped in. Right, so hopefully this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.